Welcome to Spring Heaven. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to program in C Sharp. C Sharp, which is pronounced as C Sharp, is a modern object-oriented and type-safe programming language. It enables developers to build many types of secure and robust applications. C Sharp is based on .NET environment. C Sharp supports garbage collection, nullable type, exception handling, lambda expressions, language integrated query, asynchronous operations, reference and value types. If you guys already learned C or C++, C Sharp is also similar to that. Once a C Sharp code is written, it can be saved in a file with extension .cs. The compiler checks the syntax and analyzes the code once the compiler is invoked. It generates Microsoft Intermediate Language, which is MSIL. The common language runtime, which runs the program that has been compiled using the main method. The CLR uses just-in-time compiler, which is shortly called as JIT, which converts the MSIL code to native code, which are CPU instructions. The tools that we are going to use in our tutorial is Microsoft Visual Studio. I am using the version 2022.